Hello students, how are you? You're welcome in your channel Physics Wall. Today we start the NCERT Class 12 Chapter 11 Dual Nature of Radiation and Matter, the NCERT book. आगे बढ़ना है तो आज नहीं तो कल NCERT book पढ़ना. So students, first question in exercise is find the maximum frequency and minimum wavelength of X-rays produced by 30 kilovolt electron. So students, here given in question is voltage by which produced the X-rays. Voltage is 30 kilovolt. So kilo is 10 to the power 3. So students, the exchange in the energy, that is it produced electrons, so energy EV. So EV, so volt E is 1.6 × 10 power minus 19, you know, and voltage here 30 × 10 power 3. So students, energy because is joule. So find the max. Question in ask the maximum frequency. So we know students the X-rays photons have energy E equals to h nu. So nu is E upon h. So E is no 1.6 × 10 power 19 and 30 × 10 power 3 joule. So students, also you know Planck constant 6.63 and 10 power minus 34 joule second. So students, joule is cast out. Then you solve this. We find the value is 7.24 गुणे 10 power 18 per second लिखिए students या hertz लिख दीजिए. So the first question solve. So in second कहते हैं minimum wavelength. If frequency is maximum, so students wavelength is lambda बराबर क्या हो जाएगा c upon nu. So wavelength, that is we can solve is c is velocity of light is 3 गुणे 10 power 8 and maximum frequency you 7.24 × 10 power 18. So solve it students. 3 गुणे 10 power 8 minus 18 upon 7.24. So we find as 30 गुणे 10 power minus 11 also 7.24, because here minus 10 is comes, but here we 30 write, then 10 power minus 11 down. So we 4.14 with 10 power minus 11. Yeah, also we write it 0.0414 with 10 power minus 9 meter. Also its distance is 0.414 with 10 power minus 10 meter. So this students also values, that is 0.414 angstrom. Thank you, Fiba. The second question asking the work function of cesium metal is 2.14 electron volt. So students, the work function given work function. Work function in some books in denoted as Y naught and some books is W. So it is same thing, is 2.14 electron volt. So students, we know the work function as energy, so we change also in electron volt 1.6 × 10 power minus 19 and then becomes in joule. So student, when the light of the frequency 6 × 10 to the power 14 hertz, frequency here radiation is 6 × 10 to the power 14 hertz is incident on the metal surface, then photo emission, electron emission occur. What is the maximum kinetic energy of emitted electrons? So students, it in this question asking find the maximum kinetic energy, that is K max of photoelectron. And the second is asked A, the B is asked the stopping potential, that is V naught, and third in maximum speed of emitted photon, and C asks the maximum V max. Students, V velocity maximum. Kinetic energy corresponding, we find the velocity. So K max is we find, then V max. So first we K max, then V max, then nu law. So you know photoelectric equation of Einstein is given as if we h nu radiation is Fall energy, then some energy is absorbed by electrons to overcome the work function. Then h nu and left energy is equal to the kinetic energy of the electrons. So K max is equal to h nu minus phi. So students here h nu minus phi naught all values data is you know. So K max is we become as H is value is Planck constant, students. So put the values H 6.63 × 10^34 and nu is the frequency is 6 × 10 power 14 hertz you given, and minus phi naught is also, students, this is 2.14 × 10 power minus 90 and × 1.6. So students, you calculate the maximum kinetic energy from this. So it is here as we find, we calculate 0.35 electron volt. So students, now second is that now corresponding velocity C, students, the velocity, the K max equals to we write as, students, half mv square, half m v square max. So students, we find the v max is equal to 2k upon m under root. So put the values, students, की value आप पता ही है, m की value mass of the electron you know, put the values 2.2 × 0.35 in electron volts, students, it is right, and you write is 1.6 × 10 power minus 19 because, and m is mass of electron 9.1 × 10 power minus 31 kg. So students, from this you calculate the value of the velocity. This is 350.7 meter per second, meter per second, kilometer per second here. So also students, third is C, ask the what is stopping potential. Stopping potential. So stopping potential is corresponding to maximum kinetic energy. The stopping potential, what stopping potential, that we see that if any intensity of radiation is the same, stopping potential of same if the frequency is same but intensity is different. So kinetic energy depend on the cutoff potential. So we write as the K E max kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy, also student becomes EV not जो आपने voltage apply किया है. So if you put the values of find K max is 0.35 electron volt, and this is also electron and volt. So volt you find voltage इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूट्रॉन की वैल्यू पुट करने की जरूरत नहीं. This also direct is you find 0.35